Well, good morning and welcome to Double K Home Projects. Well, today we are going to be working in the cucumber patch here. Hopefully getting it cleaned up. Boy, we have some weeds. Even in the bean patch right here. But over here is the cucumbers, and we will be working on getting these things weeded out. Probably go ahead and weed some of this stuff right in here too. Kind of muddy here. Boy, these roots are really long on this stuff, on this grass. Alright, well, that really, being muddy really messes your hands up. So much grass. It's crazy. Come on. It's fighting me terribly. Come on. Yeah. Well, I planted a ton of marigolds in here and nothing. I mean, there is some. Weeds sure like to grow though. The weeds and grasses. Yeah. Okay. Try to get this entry area here cleaned up. Probably too shady here for marigolds, maybe. It appears. I need to get over to the other side, but I'm just trying to clean this entry here before I get into the other. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Well, let's start right here, I guess. The path itself's even got weeds in it, you know? Gosh, it's really muddy. The weeds stick to your fingers. I mean, weeds do come out a little easier when the soil's moist. It's just a messy job, though. I mean, see? Look how messy that is. Whew. Okay, this rock was to keep the gate from coming back and ruining the stuff here. Well, we got some rain last night, and I'm telling you, it's definitely going to make everything grow, especially the weeds. So as I was saying, the weeds have gotten out of control this summer and taken up a lot of time that I didn't expect. I don't know, maybe somebody would come up with an automatic weeder. That'd be cool. I might buy one of those. I wonder if it could distinguish between a weed and an actual garden plant. Like this bean right here. Could it distinguish between it? Almost got me a bucket full. Alright, well, let's go get rid of this bucket here. So here's the patch I did yesterday. Everything's looking pretty good. Well, you see, I tell you what, getting rid of those weeds, those blooms, can you see those? Those blooms are going crazy. Wow, nice looking. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. Okay, let's set this out here. I think I'm gonna set this out in the sun just a little bit. Let her get photosynthesis. What do you think about that? Oh, them carrots, I need to pull them. Okay. Bunch of little bitty weeds right there. Getting into the cucumbers now. It's gonna be hard to do because I got a fence in between there, and it's just gonna it's gonna be hard to get in there. Really hard. We'll do our best though to get it. Do the best we can. That's all we can do. Look at them weeds. Gee whiz. Big old things. I gotta get these up so I can step in there. I'll reach in as far as I can get. Well, I mean, I can reach down in here. I don't know about back there. Some of these need to be trained to go up. It's hard to see, I know. See if we can go over here now for a minute. We do have some leaves that are kind of dead here on the lower parts of these. But you are not. You're a vine. I know what you are. Whoa. It's one of them morning glories. Yep. Okay. Well, I know this is a rather short video. We've got quite a bit done today, and we did get the whole fence line cleaned out in the cucumbers and the beans that were right in front of it. We've taken some of these cucumbers and retrained them so that they're going straight up the trellis so that they'll grow. Eventually I may do a bit of pruning so more light can get in so we can actually see them when they are ready to pick. We've got a lot of blooms now on the cucumbers, and we're just waiting for things to start growing, and hopefully we will have a good harvest this year. This is where we're going to stop for the day, so we're going to end the video here. Thanks for coming along with us today. You're a great blessing to us. We will see you in the next video. Bye. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.